Love is an intelligent spontaneity. It provides exactly what is needed, precisely when it is needed, in the exact proportion required, and in the form it must take. Love does not hesitate. It does not wait for the right moment. It does not seek to understand or negotiate. Love acts, and in its action, it restores. This is not a transactional force. It asks for nothing in return. It is unidirectional, flowing outward, endlessly, without the need for reciprocation. Love does not require love. It does not absorb, it only emits. It has no hunger, no desire to be refueled. Love does not need to be loved in order to be. It exists as a pure force, independent of anything it touches. Love, by its nature, provides. It is not a force that takes, nor one that seeks to complete itself by receiving. Love is whole in itself. It emits from every corner of the universe, filling the spaces between everything that exists. It does not need anything. Love provides everything. When she feels disturbed, when she is unsettled, when her sense of completeness wavers, we do not need to go searching for love to restore her. Love is everywhere. It is infinite. It cannot be depleted, cannot be used up. It is not something you have to acquire or summon. It is there, ready to act, ready to provide. All it needs is focus. Love has a singular focus. It provides. It has no primary function beyond that. There is no higher aim, no hidden motive. Love does not design, does not wish for something better. It does not hope that things will improve. Love is not capable of hope, because love does not wait for a better moment. Love simply acts. It is immediate, ever present, and always complete. Love has no will. It cannot wish. It does not move through life seeking to make things different or better. Love is not about improvement. It does not long for a day when the world will be a more perfect place. It cannot hope that you will become something more. Love is pure action, driven by nothing but its own nature. It moves only to provide, and in that provision, it restores. Love does not dream of a future where you will be more than you are. Love only ensures that you are complete now, in this moment. There is no future in love. Love's preferred state is past tense. Loved, complete, restored. When love acts, its goal is not to linger in a state of longing, not to wait for an eventual fulfillment. Love desires for you to have been loved, to have been made whole. It is not the process of loving that is the goal. It is the state of having been loved, past tense, that matters. If you are in need of love, it is already there. You are submerged in it, bathed in its presence, whether you see it or not. There is more love than you could ever need. It is in the air you breathe, the spaces between the cells of your body. It exists in your heartbeat, in the movement of your thoughts, in the very fabric of your being. Love is there, surrounding you, filling every gap, every crevice, every silence. To feel discontent, to believe that you are lacking love, that you are waiting for someone to give it to you, these are illusions. They are stories we tell ourselves, fictions. Love provides. It always has, and it always will. The blueprint for that provision is already there, etched into the very fabric of existence. All it requires is the act. Love is something you do. It is never something to be hoped for, never something you wait to receive. You do not wait for love to find you. It cannot fall upon you as though from some distant, mysterious place. That is a disabling narrative, one that leaves you stranded in the illusion of longing. Love is everywhere, always. It is not something to be sensed or distinguished by the mind. It is like light that is invisible, yet essential to everything. It is the heat you feel from the sun, the blue that stretches across the sky. It is in every breath, in every sound. Love is not something you wait for. It is something that is always there, already present, ready to act. Love is not some distant, magical force waiting for the right time to appear. It is constant, unchanging, infinite. It is always right there, in the spaces around you, in the very fabric of the world you move through. It simply waits for you to act, to provide, to make complete that which feels incomplete. Love is everything, and it is always there.